The ofrenda traces its roots to ancient indigenous practices in what is now Mexico. Through the path from these practices to today's altar is not a simple straight line. In the cultures of the pre-Hispanic era, for example the Aztec Nahua peoples, death was not seen as a final end, but as a transition into another realm. The goddess Mictlantecuhtli, Lady of the Dead, was said to watch over the bones of the deceased in the underworld. These indigenous traditions included offerings of food and other goods for the dead, though perhaps in different formats, contexts, and calendars than what we see today. With Spanish colonization in the 16th century and the introduction of Catholic feast days, such as All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day, these indigenous practices were fused, reinterpreted, and adapted. The home altar of Dia de Muertos is much more than a pretty table of decorations. It is a living ritual. It is part welcome mat for the dead, part memory map for the living. It is rooted in ancient indigenous beliefs, transformed by colonial encounter, and alive in contemporary Mexican and American homes. By honoring those who have gone before us with photos, food, light, marigolds, and care, families assert that the bond between generations does not break at death. It shifts, it transforms, and for a brief sacred time, the worlds of the living and the dead overlapped at the ofrenda.